Welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to convert Excel file. Okay, how to convert Excel file in as a read only. You can make Excel file as a read only. There is a two-way. I will show you how you can make the Excel file read only. Read only means nobody can change it. Only nobody can make changes in this Excel file. So it is only for view. It can be changed. So let's start with the video how we can make Excel file read only. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, here you can see this is my Excel file and I just enter some data. Okay, if I go to my ribbons, you can see all ribbon has been uh, can be usable, and here you can see this is not editable Excel file. If you want to make it Excel file as a read only, just first option, just go to the file, click on info, and here you can see the protect overbook, and here you can see always open read only. Okay, so when you click it, so it will be read only. Just save it. Okay, so and if you disable again, you just go to the info and go to info and make it. Now when it is come the prevent accidentally change, this worksheet has been sent to the open read only. Okay, so this is should now been now has been read only. If you want to make it read only, just go again here and you just click on it and click again on this option, that it will be changed. Okay, so I will make it again read only and come back. Okay, so that is how you can make read only Excel. Another option, go to the Excel file where you have saved. Okay, this is my Excel file. Click right and go to the property, and here you can see this is a read only option. Just click it and apply it, and okay, and when you open it, you can see read only mark has been appear here. Okay, so that is how you can make it is read only. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.